Dr. Kim here from sunny San Diego, California. Look at how much equipment there is when we do MIS surgery. And look how organized my team is. Everything has a spot. And it's multi-level. Look at that. That's a special rack that we designed so that we can have things organized. Those are all my special instruments, all custom, because professionals don't do stuff off the rack. And today we have a very, very special patient. I say that about everyone, but this patient has been working in my hospital, our hospital, for many, many years. She knows everybody. And I was walking in this morning, besides all the other people that told me to do a good job, somebody randomly just said, "Do a good job today." So I'm really nervous because I have to do a really good job. And I think you can see what her problem is. She's got an L4-5 spondylolisthesis. Luckily, she's otherwise young and healthy, and all the other discs look relatively good. But look at how bad that 4-5 is. This is the 3-4 level. That's how big the canal should be normally. And this is how big the canal is when she's laying down. So we're going to do a 4-5 MIS TLIF, a minimally invasive transforaminal lumbar interbody fusion through 2 1-inch incisions going in from here and here to avoid the midline structures, which are really important for dynamic stability. And if all goes well, she'll go home tomorrow. And hopefully back to work where we can say hi and reminisce about all those painful days before her surgery when she was hobbling around the hospital. So wish me luck. Okay. I don't know if you noticed how straight those lines are, but I did those freehand. Okay, creating the perfect starting point for the pedicle screw. Feel like a total cheater. But you know, my mom always said, if you don't cheat every once in a while, you ain't trying hard enough. Top, kind of bottom, lateral, medial, bump. You know how hard it would be to get into the pedicle with the Jamshidi needle right here? Look at that. Thank goodness for navigation. Load it, load it, load it. Oh yes, I feel so good. Oh, this thing is annoying. Now see the utility of navigation. Look at that. I feel like a cheater going right down the pike. That's how you get perfect screws. That and some luck. And the will to succeed, as they say. Oh, look at that. This would have been really hard without navigation and the perfect drill hole technique using the San Diego hole widening system. I know, I need to come up with some new names for our stuff, but we're waiting for an inspiring moment. Well, I'm going to countersink this so that we can do a little reduction, little sum. Woo! That is good bone. I got to go two-fisted. I like going one-handed because I like having both hands free. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm doing the end plate prep and discectomy. It's going really well. Your bones are pretty dang strong. But because of reosteoporosis, I'm going to try to put in 2 spacers next to each other so it's really stable. I just did a release so that I can realign the spine. And I fully anticipate that you're going to be taller, straighter, stronger, faster, and gosh darn it, people will like you. 60s cage alive. My favorite part. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that went in easily. Oh yes, got a good bite. Surgery's all done. We did it through 2 little incisions like that. That's only 1 inch long. Shower resistant dressing. That's thin Telfa non-stick dressing. It's clear, kind of, I don't know, it's not tape, but it's like a barrier. That's why you can take a shower. You just have to not get any folds in it. And that's the navigation tracking pin poke hole. Only deserves half a tegaderm. All the stitches are under the skin, plastic surgery style. Oh, that looks so pretty. We're all praying for you to get better real soon. And if you don't wake up feeling better in some ways, I'll be surprised and I'll eat my hat.